Hello guys, welcome back to another Jonathan's Paperverse video. In this video, we will be showing you our ev3 Rubik's Cube solver. This is made by me, and my brother is our cameraman. All right, first thing you do is insert the cube. It's gonna scan it to find the fastest algorithm. Calculating it. Okay, it's going to be solved in 25 moves. Seven more steps left. Looks like it's getting onto something. Last step. And it did it. So the machine solved it in about 100 seconds. Let's see how fast I can solve this. I'll have my brother mix it for me. So, yeah, he's gonna mix it. Just mix it up real good. So, fine. I will set a timer. Yeah. It is also so pitiful how the sword ends if you didn't know. It is so pitiful. Now, we are going to solve it. And I'm going to set a time. Okay, Mommy. Alright, you ready? We are going to stop the music, sadly. I know it is very awesome. To set a timer. We are going to set a stopwatch. 3, 2, 1, we'll go. My God. Luckily, he doesn't have to scan this. Yeah. He's already closing in with the white side. It's fine to just shut down. To conserve battery and so we don't use up electricity. Come on, you got this. Done! Okay, so time. That is 76 seconds! So, let's just say, the two things we learned in this video. 1, robots are good at solving the basics. And 2, robots will not take over the world. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And 3, Jonathan is faster than a robot.